Hey, hi Cancer sign. Hope you all are well. So this is going to be a reading in love and career from today till 31st of March. So we'll see what is the love message for Cancer sign from today till 31st of March. All right. So what is the universe? What is the message for Cancer sign in love? What is the love message for Cancer sign in love? What is the message? What is the love message for Cancer sign in love? What is the love message for Cancer sign in love? What is the love message for Cancer sign from today till 31st of March? What is the love message for Cancer sign from today till 31st of March? So the message is Page of Wands, the Devil, the Magician, Nine of Swords, Six of Wands, and the Temperance card. So Cancer, starting with the Magician card. So you are a magician now, okay? You are ready now to chase love, to start your love life, okay? Whatever you wish, whatever you want, you can achieve it by doing magician, okay? You are now fully available to wish anything. It's if you want to go and offer somebody, it's the right time to do it. So now you are a magician in your own life where you can, you know uh, start new life, new beginning in your love life. All right. Okay, I'm seeing the Devil card here, so let me clarify the Devil here. What is the Please clarify Devil card for Cancer sign in love. Please clarify the Devil card in love for Cancer sign. Please clarify the Devil card. Clarifying Devil card for Cancer sign in love. King of Cups. Okay, so maybe what I'm saying here is the past relationship, whatever you had, is going to detach from you. Okay, and you are going for a new beginning in your life. Okay, Cancer sign. So I'm saying that you are okay. Let's wait. Cancer sign. My card fell down. All right, so I'm saying that the past relationship, whatever you had, is going to detach from you, and you will look for a new beginning in your life. So there is someone new you want to look towards, someone. Also, I'm saying that you are depressed and you are overthinking a lot in relationship. Maybe you're thinking whether it's happening or not in your past relationship, whether you're going to get connected to your past relationship or not. Also, I'm saying that you are starting a new beginning. You may be thinking of offering someone a new love, okay, or maybe someone is offering a new love, but I'm saying that people are not happy for what you're going to offer to someone, or maybe whoever is coming towards you, they aren't happy, their family member, or maybe people are not happy coming your that person is coming and offering you. Okay. All right. I'm also saying the Temperance card, where you are now thinking through your intuition mind, and uh, you are awakened in love. So whatever you dealt in past, you're not going to repeat it again. But whoever the person you're thinking that, uh, getting attached to it, it may be the detachment is happening. You're going to get separated from that person. Some of the Cancers may not get attached to that past person and will be depressed, and overthink why it's not happening, and they may be thinking of going to offer somebody else, and but the people or family or someone will be not happy you doing that. So let me clarify a few more cards in love. What is the message for Cancer in love? 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 The Judgment, Four of Pentacles. So you're going to get a judgment in your love life. So it may be a new beginning for you in love life, maybe a new start. Okay, so whatever you dealt with in past is going to get finished now, over now, and you're going to start a new beginning. Okay, also Four of Pentacles, I'm saying here that you're just sitting and you are waiting for the right time and the right person in your life, and you are you seems to be like thinking a lot about it. Okay. That's a love message for you, Cancer. Let me see the career message for you. What is the career message for Cancer? What is the career message for Cancer? Universe, what is the career message for Cancer? What is the career message for Cancer sign? What is the career message for Cancer sign? What is the career message for Cancer sign? The career message is the Sun card, Page of Swords, Ten of Swords, Three of Wands, Nine of Pentacles, and the Justice. So Cancer sign, I'm saying that the card is showing that Ten of Swords. So maybe in your career that you had a very difficult times before, but it's all over now in your career. Maybe you are struggling with the job, with the business, or with the something new. Okay, but it's now okay. It's now over, and you're just ready to accept the new challenge, new work. Maybe you got a new offer, and you all set to accept the challenge, and you're getting a lot of projects, and you're all set to accomplish it. I'm saying that you have a success in your work, whatever you're doing, and it's you're getting your fulfillment in your career. Also, I'm saying that Cancer signs, some of the Cancer signs are actually looking to expand their career or business, or wanting to change their job, or maybe wanting to looking for new opportunity or growth. Okay. Also, I'm saying that some of the Cancers, I'm starting a new business, and starting a YouTube channel, or maybe Cancer signs are a bit artistic in nature. They like drawing, doing animations and all those things. So they are thinking of starting that because they are very good at it. Okay. Some side, maybe side business, something like that. Okay. Also, I'm saying that Justice card here, which means that you are going, so whatever the problem you had in your job, it's going to get over now. You're going to get a justice. Maybe if your promotion or something is got stuck, you're getting to get it. I mean, you're getting it basically. And so it looks good. Let me see a few more cards in career. Give me some more card for Cancer sign in career. What is the career message? What is the career message for Cancer sign? What is the career message for Cancer sign from 23rd till 31st? What is the message for Cancer sign? Universe, what is the message for Cancer sign in career? What is the message for Cancer sign in career? So Ace of Cups and the Chariot. So some new offer is coming your way, some new, or maybe you are planning to start something new. Okay. So new offer is going to reveal to you in your career basically. And I'm seeing the chariot card wherein you may be a boss, you may be a manager, or someone who has a team and the team members are not happy. Okay, and maybe some cancer signs may be thinking of changing job, but they are confused what to do. All right, so that's a message in career for you guys. Let me spread a general message for you using Osho Zen. So, what is the general message for Cancer sign? What is the general message for Cancer sign? What is the general message for Cancer sign from today till 31st of March? What is the general message for Cancer sign? So, the general message is control, breakthrough, and the slowing down. So Cancer sign, the general message is basically you need to release a control. You need to, whatever you're holding in your mind, you need to go, let it go, and you need to go with flow. Basically, you need to let control go and free yourself for whatever you're holding into. Okay. Also, I'm just saying that again a justice card, breakthrough. So whatever you are stuck into, or you were stuck before, you're going to break through it. You're going to come out of it, and you have to slow down, Cancer. So you take step by step whatever you're doing in your life, slow down, and definitely you're going to get a justice, I mean breakthrough. And whatever the problem or issues or uh, anything the thing which were stuck before is going to come to a light, and you're going to get a success in that. So you need to slow down a little bit and you're going to get a success. All right, so let me see what oracle card says for you. Please guide Cancer sign from today till 31st March. Please guide Cancer sign. Hey universe, please guide. Please guide Cancer sign. Please provide a guidance to Cancer sign from today till 31st of March. Please provide a guidance message to Cancer sign from today till 31st. So the guidance message you're getting, Cancer, is happy family. Can you see that? Holding each other, happy family. So it says that you may be going to celebrate your some happiness with your family. Maybe you're going on a vacation with your family. Okay, so the card looks very good for you. Okay, it's advice message from spirit. Okay, so I'm going to explain it to you exactly what this card means. uh, this happy family depends portends a time of joy and celebration. As you saw that it's a celebration card with your family. So don't overlook the fun and priority that a friend or family experience can bring. The value that you find in a truly loving relative or friend brings a higher vibration to your life force. You may be distracted or busy, but remember to put this part of your life in the forefront of your priorities. If you're single, finding this card in your spread could indicate a potential meeting with someone who has children from a previous marriage. Okay, so you may be meeting someone, some of the Cancer signs. I don't know this if this message resonate or not. So those who resonate with them, okay. If you're meeting someone who has a children from previous marriage, this ready-made family might bring some challenges, but it could be your destiny in this lifetime. Okay, this card maybe simply signify a celebration coming up, such as a wedding, anniversary, or birthday party. Okay, so Cancer sign, enjoy your day, enjoy your days ahead, because you have a celebration card. Also, as I said, like, there is someone new coming in your life, or it could be someone who has a child in their, from their previous marriage, or maybe you have a kid in your past relationship. So wherever you're going, it could be a fluctuation in love. All right, Cancer sign, that's a message for you. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like it. Please subscribe my channel. See you next time.